Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the news that have been trending in the northern region. First, let me start with Kwara State. 13 women's shoes found in Kwara Cleric House suggest multiple murders before final year student. The Kano State Governor Abba Yusuf has warned teachers against forcing students into manual labor. The directive was contained in a statement on Sunday by a governor's spokesperson. Now, former Minister of Foreign Affairs Bolaji Akinyemi says at midnight helicopters piloted by white people kept offloading guns and money for Boko Haram terrorists in Northeast. Move to politics. The Minister of Defense Bello Matole hails President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and counter former SGF Babachir David Lawrence over President Tinubu's achievement. Still in politics, the Kano State Governor has warned it will take actions against APC volunteers if they engage in any activities that could disrupt the state's peace. Governor Yusuf said the state government will not tolerate any political talks in the state. Similarly, Arewa youth fire back at Ganduje over 2027 presidency comment. Now, insecurity. The Nigerian Air Force has killed several terrorists in Katsina State and destroyed hideouts and camps. Meanwhile, Yobe State Police Command detained two over gang rape of 12-year-old girl in the state on Monday. Now move to Borno State, still insecurity. 11 women and children abducted by Boko Haram terrorists in fishing community area in Dorombaga, Borno State, have regained freedom on Monday. Similarly, 2 weeks after failed reconciliation between Boko Haram and ISWAP terrorists, both groups have resumed fighting on Monday in Abadam local government area of Borno State. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels at The News Chronicle. Like, comment, and share. Also, you can follow us in Facebook and X. Like, comment, and share. Thank you and see you next.